Curie golden parrot.
Stop sharing the screen. Ma'am, stop sharing the screen.
Okay, can I stop sharing the screen? Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Please.
Okay, Musfira has already done for me. Thank you, Musfira. Okay.
Read aloud.
It's all yes. So Manha, you can bring your pillow, like always. Okay. Okay. Mustafa and Umaima, y'all can turn on your screen. Mustafa, you were not there for the first class, Mustafa?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, he was not there
Yes,
in the
ma'am.
English class.
Yes, ma'am. I forgot the first class.
You forgot.
I thought that it was holiday till first.
Okay. Okay. This Friday also, I have a very nice announcement very exciting announcement for you all. Okay.
What?
Okay. One by one. I have two announcements. One is this Friday also we have holiday. Okay. This Friday, coming Friday, we have holiday. Umayma is dancing. And second announcement is, which is very, very exciting, is we are going to picnic all together. Okay. One day. No, not next Friday. That dates are going to be decided by Dawood sir. That is a surprise. That is a surprise for you all. But we are going this month.
So, are we going from school close to our course?
Definitely.
One night, na, ma'am. One night, na.
Yes, one night we are going to stay. Okay. Is it not exciting? Yes, Umayma, you were saying something.
I'm camping.
Yes, camping. Yes, Manha.
Ma'am, when are we going to go to the party? Ma'am,
Party?
here, can you
First we'll go.
again, please?
Okay. So the exciting news is we are going to a picnic this month.
Yeah! When?
When? This month. We don't know when, but this month. Okay. In January. Before January ends, January end, we are going to a picnic. Okay. Mustafa, you can turn on. I want to see the excitement. Mustafa, turn on your screen.
You've got to tell me where you are going to go to
That's a surprise. That's a surprise. Okay. That's a surprise for everyone. And we are going to stay one night. Okay. We are going to stay one night. All together.
Okay, we are going to stay one night.
Yes.
Magica?
No, not Imagica, but it is a very nice place and we'll get to stay over there one entire night. Okay. And next day we will come back. Okay. So this was the exciting news. We will decide what date we are going.
Is every kid coming like in Golden Sparrow?
Yes,
is every kid coming?
So you are going to get Rushda, Ahmed,
And
everyone.
my brothers also, Ibrahim and Yahya.
Ibrahim, Yahya. So your siblings are also going to come. Okay?
I always
But
wanted them.
Yes,
I
you don't
always
want them?
wanted to say hello from together.
Yes, that's nice, Khatija. But Umaima, just listen to Umaima. What Umaima wants to say. Umaima, what did you say, please?
I don't want Abdul and Farhana.
So Umaima doesn't go with Abdullah and Farhana. Okay, that's all right. But we'll stay away from Abdullah and Farhana. Okay, Umaima? Okay. So today, what story?
Ma'am, are we going from school bus?
Yes. For Khatija, that is very important. Whether we are going by school bus or going by tram. Yes, Khatija.
We want to go with the school bus.
You're wasting your time.
Yes, I'm wasting my time. Yes, because Khatija is asking me too many questions. Okay. So now, what story we are going to do? Tell me. I have two stories.
Camping, 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 camping.
A monster surprise in a portable party.
Okay, so today we will complete our previous story, which was the monster surprise. Okay, can we complete that story? Yes. Yep.
Yes.
Okay, okay. Let me start sharing my screen. Everybody can relax. Everyone can sleep. Okay, and can listen to my story.
Ma'am, I don't want to wait to go there.
Why? Why, Mustafa? You don't want to come to the camp?
No, I don't want to wait.
You
I
don't
just
want to...
now want to go.
Okay, come out of the screen, Mustafa, and I will take you. Okay.
Yes,
Okay,
I
I'll
also
come.
want to go now.
Okay, then I have to
I
put
already
my hands
went.
inside the screen and I have to grab you all.
I already went.
Where did you went?
Not a
Zainab, you don't have to share anything now, right now, okay?
Mom, I want to meet you.
Even I want to meet you, but now, Manha, you are in Goa. You are enjoying yourself.
No.
You came back?
Yes.
That's nice. Okay,
Can't
then
see
we'll
the
meet.
screen.
Okay, so
Can't see the screen.
you can't see the screen. Oh, that's always happened that I have to share my screen again. Okay.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay, let me share my screen again. Oh, Ali is back with Usman. Okay, Usman and Ali, you have to be quiet. Okay, Usman, you don't have to speak. You can take your pillow, relax, and listen to my story.
Ali, we're going for a picnic on this month.
Wow, Khatija has already conveyed my message. Thank you, Khatija. Is Ali excited? Can we take Usman for the picnic? No. He's too young, right? Oh my
Yes.
God. What do you
Yes.
think? We should take him or we should not take him?
yes. Ma'am, he can come while he's 3 years old. He can come.
He can. Then if you'll say, I want to go to mama,
You're
then,
wasting your time.
oh my God, I'm
I
again.
will take her.
My Khatija has become, yes, Manha,
Shaza, ma'am,
yes.
on the next page, there is a monster. Can you see?
Yes, I can see. You have to spot the monster in every page, okay? Till where we have finished. Who can help me? Did we finish this?
Yeah, we want to start with here.
From here or
Yes.
the next page?
From here.
From here, okay.
Yes.
Or just see the next page. Just see the next page, or we have completed this.
No,
No, we don't.
Okay. We'll start
No.
with this page, okay? We'll start with this page.
Yeah, from this page.
Okay, let's begin our story, okay? They took this is monster surprise, okay? Can you see the monster? Can you spot the monster in this page?
No.
No, okay.
No.
So just let me read, okay? Everybody, please mute yourself and let me read. They took a narrow path that formed a line between the trees and then crawled through thorny bushes that left scratches on their knees. So what they did is now they are going to find the next culprit, okay? Who is the culprit who has taken their food? Okay, so they have to follow.
Human.
We'll see who has taken their food, okay? So they are following the footprints, okay? And for that they have to take a very narrow path between the trees, and they crawl through thorny bushes, and they have to go through the thorny bushes. And what happened, because they crawl through the thorny bushes, it left scratches on their knees. Okay.
I can see that.
Yes, you can't see the monster, right, Musfira?
But I can see the scratches on the knee.
Yes, you can see the scratches on their knees. They climbed some jagged rocks until their feet could take no more. What do you mean by jagged rocks? Jagged rock means very sharp rocks. Okay, so they climbed all the sharp rocks until their feet could take no more. Now they are completely exhausted and tired. Then they came across a cave that had a boulder for a door. What do you mean by boulder?
A code.
No, boulder means a big rock. Okay, that is a boulder, a big rock. So, can you see like where there is an entrance of the cave, there is a rock.
Ma'am, there is one big rock and there is a one hand.
Yes,
like,
yes, we could see the
handprint.
symbol of a hand. Yes.
The door will open. Stop. It means stop.
Okay, but they can't enter the cave because there's a big boulder at the entrance.
Ma'am, I know how to do.
Yes.
They will take.
A handprint. They will press
Yeah.
on that handprint and that rock will open.
Yes.
Okay, let's see how it
There is a
will open.
robot, ma'am. There is a robot.
We'll see how the cave. Okay,
Ma'am,
we'll
it's
check it out.
a robot.
We'll check it out. We'll check it out. The boulder started moving and the
I am
creature
not correct.
stood in fright as a silhouette inside began to shuffle into sight. So what happened? The boulder started moving on its own, okay? And all the creatures, the rabbit, the squirrel, the boar, and the beaver, they were all scared that what is happening. And then they could see silhouette. Silhouette means they could see a shadow. Okay, and they were really scared because that shadow was really huge. Okay, a monster! Rabbit shouted as the friends all turned to flee. Okay, so the rabbit shouted, "It's a monster! It's a monster!" And all the other creatures, they started running away. Flee means to run away. In the panic, rabbit tripped, colliding headfirst with a tree. Okay, in the panic, what happened? Rabbit tripped. Rabbit tripped means rabbit fell down, colliding head first with a tree. And he collided with the tree means he bumped onto the tree. The monster hand looms down, and as it picked him up, he shook. There was nothing quite so scary in the whole of Little Nook. So, what happened as the rabbit tripped, as he fell down? What happened? The monster lifted him up, okay? And there was nothing quite so scary in a whole of Little Nook. And when the rabbit looked at the monster, he was very scary. "Oh, please, say you won't eat me." So the rabbit pleaded to monster that please don't eat me. Rabbit begged with fearful eyes, and there was a fear in his eyes. "I would never eat a rabbit," laughed the monster with surprise.
I am the correct.
Yes. So this monster is really friendly monster. And he said, "I will never eat a rabbit." And he said with a surprise. "Well, thank you," answered Rabbit as he brushed the dirt away. And the friends were all relieved to see that Rabbit was okay. So when the monster said that "I'm not going to eat rabbit," so all her friends felt relieved that okay, my rabbit is, our friend is saved now. The monster mumbled shyly as it bent down on one knees. Mumbled means he spoke something, okay? So the monster spoke, he said something, okay? And he bent down on his knees. "I was hoping that you all would like to join me for some tea." So he has prepared some kind of party for all these creatures. So he said that "I was hoping that you all would join me for a tea." Okay, so he is inviting everyone for a tea party. The monster clicked its finger and the glowworm shined their lights. Okay, so what happened when he clicked his finger? All the glowworms, they started giving light on the most amazing party, full of wonderful delight. So it was very amazing party, okay? And it was wonderful delight. Means there was so many things, new things to see. Are missing foods, said Rabbit. Now the monster plan was clear. So all their missing food was right on their table. So now they came to know where our missing food was. And the creatures all said sorry for reacting with such fear. So what all of them said? Rabbit, squirrel, beaver,
Ma'am,
they said sorry to the monster. Yes, Amema.
ma'am, look, you can see rabbit written, squirrel, boar, beaver. That all are also written
Where is
on
it
the
written? Ah,
table.
yes,
On
yes.
the table.
Yes, yes, very good observation, Umaima. That all the names are also written. That who is going to eat what, because everybody eats different thing. Because squirrel loves acorn. Rabbit loves to eat carrot or flowers. Okay, so it's written.
Flowers.
Yes, rabbits. See,
And ma'am,
Mustafa, have you read on the first page
and
that he was
ma'am,
searching for the flowers?
the monster take the eat
Bread.
the food and he keep it
Ma'am,
he keep
ma'am,
it in the
ma'am,
Yes,
ma'am, you're saying something to me.
Yes, Mustafa. See, on the first page of this book, no, it's written that rabbit was searching for the flowers. You asked, right? Rabbit, how come rabbit is eating flowers? So it was written on the
No,
first.
I didn't ask.
You didn't ask? Okay, okay. Muhammad Ali, can you turn on your screen? If you are there, Muhammad Ali, can you turn on your screen?
You are telling I am not asking only why I am not there only.
Okay, okay. Nobody was asking anything. Okay. Umar, you can also turn on your screen, Umar.
Hannah, please support the chat.
Okay. Can I continue my story now?
Yes.
Okay, okay. Umar, please turn on your screen. You can relax, you can sleep, you can lie down, but you have to turn on your screen.
Piggy want to eat berries? How?
Please join me, said the monster, as it headed for the seat. You can help yourself to cup of tea and lots of yummy treat. So what the monster is saying, as a good host, monster is inviting everyone and telling them that you can join me for a tea, and there are a lot of yummy treats. So he has prepared everything for them. Why he's doing that? Why he's doing that? Who can tell me?
For making them go surprise.
Is it so that he wants to just surprise them?
No, he wants to invite all of them to a party and he does not have so much food, so he steal and took it from them. Ma'am, I think now they will eat and then the monster will eat all the rabbit, squirrel, beaver and boar.
Is it he doing for this just to make them eat?
Yes, I think so.
Okay, we'll
yes,
come.
he's doing it. Me too.
Okay, Mohammed, tell me.
He is doing it because he doesn't have friends. Must be he's feeling lonely.
Yeah.
So he thought they will be his friends.
Wow, what a great answer, Mohammed. Even I feel the same. That I think so. He does not have any friends. So he wants to be little friendly and he wants to make friends. He's feeling very lonely. Let's see what is the correct answer. Umar, please, if you're there, please turn on your screen. When rabbit's little tummy breamed with marigold delight, means breamed means it is full with marigold. Rabbit has eaten all the flowers, and when all the toast had gone with no more acorn spread inside, and who has eaten the toast and the acorns? The squirrel. Okay, when the squirrel has eaten all the toast and acorn, and when there is nothing on the plate, when boar was full of berries and the stew was at an end, they all thanked the gentle monster. So when the boar, when squirrel and when rabbit, they have filled their stomach, and when they were full,
Ma'am, there is
they
no rabbit.
There is rabbit also. Okay, rabbit is in monster's arm. Can you see Musfira?
Ma'am,
Yes,
I think
yes,
they will be friends. Ma'am, I think they will be friends.
Yes, I
Yes,
think so. They
they will
all will
be
become monster's
friends.
friends. Yes. So they all thanked the gentle monster. So they all said, "Thank you, monster, for such a nice party." Who was now their brand new friend? So now the monster have become their friend. The story ended. Okay. So now, okay.
story has.
Yeah, even I didn't realize that story ended so
one
quickly. Okay.
One more,
Now I have a quiz for you all. Now I have a quiz for you all. No, not Kahoot. I'm so sorry, Manha. Whenever you are there, I don't have Kahoot quiz. I'm so sorry. Because in Kahoot, there is no monster surprise quiz. Okay, we will do next time. Mustafa, turn on your screen. Mustafa and Umar, please. Umar, I have to send you to waiting room. Umar, I'm giving you 2 minutes to turn on your screen. And then only we'll start the quiz. Otherwise, I'm
1,
putting you to
2,
the waiting room.
3,
Good.
4,
I have to
5.
threaten Umar to turn on his screen. Umar, you have to always keep your screen on. Okay. Okay. Now I have a quiz for you all. Make your own team. Come on quickly. In 5 minutes, make your own team. Let me see.
I want Ali.
Muhammad. Okay, Muhammad, this is not allowed. I'm not going to make boys and girls team. Yes, Manha, you were telling something. Manha, I can't hear you. Manha, I can't hear you.
I will take Umema.
Okay. Okay, listen. Now who is the captain? Okay, let me decide the captain first.
Ma'am, you team versus M team.
No. Okay.
I want to
Something
tell you
new.
something.
Yes.
You
Pratik.
guess who are the leaders in the team?
Ma'am, Ashmira, Sayyed and I.
Okay. Wait. Who has not got the chance to become a leader? Please quickly raise your
Me, ma'am.
Manha. Manha has
Ma'am.
not got the chance to become a leader. Okay. Okay.
Mustafa
Manha is one leader.
didn't. Yes, Manha didn't.
Okay. Manha is the team leader of one team.
Please take me.
I be a leader.
Okay. Ali wants to be a leader this time. Okay. Let me see. Who has not got chance to be a leader? Manha and Mustafa has. Okay. Okay. So there are two leaders, Zainab and Manha. Okay. Who wants to be in Zainab's team and wait. Zainab has to choose one person. Quickly, Zainab, choose one person for your team. Wait, Manha, I will give you chance. First, Zainab will choose. Zainab, choose one person quickly.
I want.
Wait, Mohammed, you are not allowed to choose your team. The captains are allowed to choose their team member. They are going to get the opportunity. Musfira Rizwani, just a minute. I have to make a note. Okay, I have to make a note. Okay, I'm back. Okay, Zainab has chosen Musfira Rizwani. Okay.
Ma'am,
Manha, you choose.
only pick girls.
No. Everybody will be there in the team. Don't worry, Umar. Manha, you choose. Umaima. Okay. Okay. Zainab, choose next member. Zainab, you have to speak louder. Umar. Okay, Umar. Okay, Umar, you are in Zainab's team. Manha, quickly choose. Next. Ali. Okay, Ali. Zainab, choose quickly. Musfira Sayyed.
Mustafa.
Manha, quickly choose. Mustafa. Okay. Zainab, choose. Quickly, Zainab.
Choose choose Khatija.
Are हाँ,
Khatija.
Khatija is left.
Khatija.
Okay, Khatija. Okay.
Muhammad Ali.
Manha, choose quickly. Who's left? Muhammad Ali. Okay, Muhammad Ali. Muhammad Ali, you are in Manha's team.
Done.
Okay, done.
Ali is left.
Ali is left. Ali is left. Zainab. Ali.
I take.
No, Ali is already there in Manha's team. Ali is already there. Okay, I'm so sorry. Is everyone there? Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
4 boys only.
Who is left? Who is left?
Amara.
Amara is not over here. Amara is not over here. 1, 2, 3, 4.
No, Umar
Umar
will
is
take
already
it.
done. Okay, y'all are there in the team. Everyone? Yes?
How many are we have how many children?
Manha has 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. And even Zainab has
4
4.
and they
4. 8.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 9 people. Who is left? Okay, let me call out the name. Okay, Zainab team. Okay, I have not counted Zainab and Manha. Okay, good. Good to go. Okay. So I am sharing my slide. The first question will be taken up by Manha. Okay, Manha. Okay. Then the second question, Zainab team will answer. Okay.
Any team, any member?
Yes, but Zainab will give me the last answer. I will take it from Zainab. Y'all can discuss. Okay.
The captain gave the last answer.
Yes. I will ask. I will ask Zainab, what is your answer? Manha, what is your answer? I'm going to ask them. Okay. Okay. Your team leader. Okay, where is my question? Okay. So the first question is for Manha. Okay, Manha, go ahead. Where do the characters live? Pick one. On farm, in a zoo, or in the wood?
In the woods.
In the woods. In the woods.
Do you agree with
In the woods.
to decide?
In the woods. In the woods.
Wood.
Okay, each questions will get 15 seconds. Manha, and now I want your answer. What is your answer? You heard your team. In the wood. Can I take in the wood?
In the woods. In the
Okay.
woods.
In the
In
wood,
the wood.
Manha got
In
10
the
points. Okay, Manha.
In the woods. In the
Manha
woods.
team gets 10 points.
In the woods. In the woods. In the
Okay.
woods.
Now the second question is for Zainab's team. Zainab, who is the first animal we meet in the story? Pick one. Beaver, rabbit,
Banana. Rabbit.
Okay, Zainab, give me your answer.
It's rabbit. You remembered, right? Yeah.
Rabbit. Okay, I'm going to take rabbit. Okay. Rabbit is the right answer. Zainab, you get 10 points. Okay. Please remember your points. Okay. 10 points to Zainab and 10 points to Manha. Okay. Now, next question, Manha. Manha's team. What do all animals notice is missing? What do
Their
all
food.
the animals notice?
Their food.
Their
Their food.
Their food.
Their food.
Their friends.
Their food. Their food.
Manha, what is your answer?
Food.
Their food. Okay, their food is a right answer. Manha teams got one more 10 points.
20 points.
20 and 10. 20,
Okay.
10.
Go down, ma'am.
Okay, please don't tick mark because then I will get confused. Okay, Zainab's team. Who had been taking their things? Pick one. A mouse, a man, or a monster?
What?
Who
Monster.
had been
Ready,
taking their
Mark?
things?
A monster. Monster. It's a monster.
Okay. Zainab, tell me your answer.
Ma'am,
Monster. Okay.
Happy man.
Why all object there is like
Who's telling me? Who's telling me? Ali.
a monster? Why it is like this? Why it can only write like mouse, man, monster? Why it is writing
A mouse, a man, because it was one. Okay, there were not many mouse. Good question. Good question, Ali. Good question. Okay, please everybody make a note of your scores. Okay, I'm not going to tell you how many points this team has got.
We got 20. We got 20.
also?
Okay. So Zainab team is on 20 and Manha's team is on 20.
We got 20.
Okay. Okay. There are more questions. There are more questions.
Manha's gonna win.
Guys,
Gonna win.
students, we have more questions. Okay. Now the next question is for Manha's team. Manha, are you all ready? How did
Yes, ma'am.
Good. How did everyone feel at the end of the story? Sad,
Happy.
Happy. Happy.
Happy.
Happy. Happy.
Okay, Manha, give me your answer.
Happy.
Okay, I'm taking your answer.
Happy.
My God,
Happy.
Ali.
H-A-P-P-Y.
Good, good.
H-A-P-P-Y.
10 more points to Manha. 10 more points to Manha.
30.
Okay. Okay, now next question is for okay. Just a minute. Zainab's team, okay? Okay, Zainab, your question is, what does rabbit think has been stolen? Pick one. His carrot, his lettuce, his
Flowers. Mine has flowers.
Katika, you are in Zainab's team.
Oh, sorry.
And it is Manha's Manha's question. Sorry, not Zainab's. It is Manha's question. Sorry. Manha, give me your answer.
For this question, you asked them.
No, this is Manha's question.
Yes.
I was sorry. This was Manha's
No,
question.
it is Zainab's question. Ma'am, did you even remember that the Khadija's question?
Okay. Let me decide.
You asked the Manhar team that happy.
Okay. It is Zainab's question. Zainab team, please answer. Zainab, please answer.
Flowers.
Answer.
Flowers.
Okay. I got the answer from Zainab. So I will take flowers. Okay. Flower. Okay. So Zainab team got 30. Okay. Now Manha's team.
30 all.
Ma'am, Manha. Ma'am, how many points Manha got?
30 points. And Zainab's team got 30 points. Okay. Okay. Now Manha team. Which character is looking for their acorns? Pick one. Squirrel,
Beaver.
Manha, give me your answer. Manha, I'm going to take it from Manha. You have heard your teammates, right? Manha, give me your answer.
B-U-N-C.
Squirrel. Manha is giving me squirrel. Okay. Squirrel is the right answer, Manha. Very good. Squirrel is the right answer. 10 points.
Ma'am.
40 points.
40 points. Okay.
40 points.
And
40,
Zainab
40,
team,
40 points.
are you ready? Zainab team, are you ready?
40 points. 40 points.
Oh, I get
40 points. 40 points. 40.
Okay. Zainab team.
Muhammad Ali, mute yourself.
Khatija is a new teacher, okay, for this class. Okay. Now, Khatija, your team. Okay, draw a line to match up the words that rhymes. Okay, so all of you together, Zainab's team member, you have to solve this quickly.
Lunch bunch rhymes. Done.
Okay, okay, Zainab, tell me your answer quickly. Lunch.
Bunch.
Okay, food.
Rude.
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 Okay, food, rude. And snacks.
Umar.
Who's doing this? Snacks.
Snack back.
Okay, okay, Umar. Okay, snack or back. Good answer. 10 points to Zainab's team. Okay.
Lunch one.
Yes. Okay. Now next question is for Manha's team. Okay, please clear my screen. Please clear my screen. Okay. Clear.
Off the light.
Off the light means?
Ma'am, you shared the screen so you can also erase everybody's.
I erased. I cleared the
annotate.
screen. Thank you, Mar. I cleared the screen. And Mustafa, please turn on your screen.
Ma'am, I
want
wrote the
everybody's
answer.
screen to be.
Ma'am, I wrote
No,
the answer.
not that one. Not that question, Umayma. The other one.
Okay. So why were the animals scared of the monster? Okay. Manha's team.
Because the monster was ugly
But ma'am,
No, because he was big. The monster
and
was
ugly.
big.
Ugly.
Okay. Okay. The
Ugly.
final answer I'm going to take it from Manha. Yes, Umayma. Yes, Umayma.
wrote the fifth answer now. If you
No,
give
not
them
the fifth answer. You have to write the fourth
now,
answer.
then no, because I write it.
No,
I
that is
wrote
up
it,
to
not
them
then
whether.
no.
Listen, now it is up to them whether they will take the answer from you or not. Okay, but your answer was, why were the animals scared of the monster? Manha, give me your answer.
Now they know the answer. That's why they will copy.
No, they will not copy. They are good boys and girls. Okay,
No, they will.
Manha, give me your answer. Final answer.
Because monster can eat them.
Okay, yes, I can take that because it is very correct, which Manha said, that he was looking ugly. He was ugly, and the creatures were thinking, the other animals were thinking that he is going to eat us. Okay, very nice.
Ma'am, I told he was ugly.
Yes, I heard that. Muhammad.
Ma'am, he is big also.
Okay, yes, because he was huge also. Okay, now the next team is Manha, you got 10 points. You got 10 points again. And next team is Zainab, okay?
They've got 50. They've got 50.
They got 50, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Yes, they got 50. Zainab, your turn. Last question. Complete this sentence. They hugged and thanked the monster, who was now their brand new teacher, friend, or pet.
Friend.
Okay, the final answer, I will take it from Zainab. Zainab, what is the correct answer?
So we've got friend.
Friend. Okay, friend is the right answer, Zainab. Okay,
So
let
now
me.
it's a tie. 50-50. It's a tie.
Okay, so now this is the right answer.
Ma'am, do have more questions?
Okay, so listen, one tiebreaker I'm going to ask. Okay, one last question. Anybody can give me.
Read out the question. Zainab, she will do.
Okay,
No.
let me see. Wait. What do you mean by, wait, anybody can give me the answer. Either I can take only the answer from Zainab or Manha. Okay. So what is the question? Just listen. Are you all ready? Whoever will give me the first answer, or whoever will give me the right answer, will be the winner. Okay. So the question is,
Manha,
what do you
want to give it the right answer and you want to
Mohammed,
give it
if you do not stop, they will not be able to hear.
Mute yourself.
Okay. Okay. This question is for Zainab and Manha. Okay. What do you mean by culprit?
Chor, chor, chor. Chor, chor.
I don't want
Okay. Zainab, listen, Zainab. You said chore. I'm not going to accept this because this is a read.
Robber.
Said robber. First, she also started chore. Then she said robber. Okay, should I take that answer or not? Okay, so Manha told me robber.
He tell it and he tell it English. Yeah.
They won because they have lots of smart people.
No, it's not like that. Okay, the culprit means whoever has done the wrong thing. Okay, the culprit means whoever has done the wrong thing, that is the culprit.
Then the robber always do wrong thing. Then robber it is the right answer.
Okay, it was all tie up. Okay, but still I would say Manha team is the winner. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. 60 points.
Good. And chalo, bye bye everyone. Hope you enjoyed the session. Bye bye.
Bye bye, ma'am. Bye bye, ma'am. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
I thought it was a tie.
Muhammad, don't do like that.